If you want something that's going to keep you warm and save you money this winter, then this is a game changer. What I'm talking about is this. This is a heated gilet. Turn it on and feel the warmth absolutely flow through your body. This is from energyvest.co.uk and it's a game changer. I haven't taken this off for, honestly, 3 days. Of all the things I've ever received, this is the most exciting. So what it does, it heats here, heats along your back, and it heats along your neck. And all you need is just a little power bank. Just a power bank. Just plug it in by USB, stick it in this little slot here, and literally, honestly, I can't bang on enough about this. This is absolutely amazing. So because of the cost of living in the UK at the moment, it is horrific to put your heating on. You don't need to with this. You can just put this on and just sit there for hours. It's unbelievable. Head over to energyvest.co.uk and get yourself one. It is unbelievable.